Barangay Wed?
Well, first and foremost, I would like to get this opportunity to thanking all to thanks behind this successful event to Stage and Lloyd Sampio. Thank you so much. And of course to the barangay captain, the honorable, yes, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya.
Ronald
Ayan, barangay captain Ronald
Ignacio.
Thank you so much. So, to my fellow advocates, esteemed guests, fellow trans queen, as I take my final walk as your reigning trans queen 2023, I stand before you tonight, with pride, resilience, and a heart that's full of joy and passions. The journey has not been easy because it has been worth it. I know that each candidate prepared for this event tonight, and I know that everyone are happy for their victory. And always remember, candidates, na sa gabi na ito, merong matatalo at merong mananalo. And the key is that acceptance. Because that acceptance will lead you free. Okay, so as I'm passing the crown to the future title holder, oh my God. I was overwhelmed. Na-overwhelmed ako kasi ako sa dami ng tao. And I can see the people, the strong foundation of unity and collaboration, ang nagkakaisang Weganyans. So I am happy, I am honored as your reigning Trans Queen 2023. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless and good night.
Thank you so much, Queen Catalina Sumis. This time, the result is in our hands. Who will be